Today, the market appears to have made a full recovery. The Shiba Inu's value has increased again. Major maneuvers by whales are about to begin. The value of Shiba Inus being traded is close to $477 billion. In only one day, that's $38 billion. A major warning was made by the analysts. We would like some clarity, Shytoshi. Tell me what's happening. How can we make sense of it all? Where am I going with this? Permit me to elucidate. Your daily dose of SHIB wealthy coins is here. If Shiba is something that piques your interest, you have come to the right place. Subscribe if you want to know what's happening in the cryptocurrency market and get the most up-to-date news predictions. Hit that like button if you want to see more SHIB news stories. The Shiba Inu Society is having a very exciting day today. First, I'd want to give you the lowdown on an interesting platform called Memobot. Memobot is an easy-to-understand cryptocurrency arbitrage program that promises a 10% daily return on deposits for anyone who put their digital assets to work. The platform offers two separate programs. The first plan gives you 10% per day for 14 days, and the second plan gives you 120% in just one day. The fact that Memobot promises daily withdrawals without extra cost is a major perk that makes using the service a breeze. It is easy to make a deposit. People put money into the site after selecting a plan and entering the amount. Now we can talk about withdrawals. Thanks to this account, Deity has received $100. The withdrawal procedure can now be initiated. Trust me, it's easy. After entering $100 and clicking Verify Transaction, the user chooses USDT as their coin of choice. Within minutes, the funds are duly added to the wallet. Optimal trading combinations are identified by Memobot's powerful arbitrage bot after it analyzes 12 cryptocurrency exchanges. Market evaluations are autonomously carried out by this Memobot-developed technology. In order to keep the bot ahead of the competition, a team of engineers is constantly improving it by fixing bugs and updating the programming. Everyone, regardless of skill level or amount of time invested, will be able to use the platform to engage in arbitrage trading. Users should not put their money into any site without first doing extensive investigation. As advocated, such high gains come with a high degree of danger and complete loss is not out of the question. With that out of the way, let's get back to the video. A strong recovery appears to have been accomplished by Shiba Inus. Everything has changed. There is now an undeniable feeling of optimism in the air. People are hopeful that Shiba Inu's ascent is just the beginning and that they will keep on climbing. There is a general feeling of confidence among people right now, according to a Twitter expert who sent a message with the most recent pricing chart of Shiba Inus. Things start to become interesting now. Major investors are making a killing off of the general public's gloom and doom. A large number of Shiba Inu are being purchased by them. At 477 billion, we're talking about Shunibun Inus. They have further expanded their holdings by purchasing a grand total of 477.5 billion Shiba Inus, one of the rarest whale species. A whale has moved more than 257 billion Shiba Inu from an exchange to a personal wallet, according to on-chain statistics, indicating a major accumulation event. Approximately 8.57 million Shiba Inu are present in the wallet at the moment. There's something special about this deal, as it happened just 25 days after a similar transaction where the identical wallet received more than $220 billion in cryptocurrency from Binance, a well-known cryptocurrency exchange. When whales receive large sums of money, it's usually because they're hoarding assets rather than selling them. They are sticking with it for the long haul, especially while prices are down. A pattern becomes apparent. It had previously received a similar amount from Binance, and about 170 days ago, it sent 65 billion Shiba Inu to an exchange. While some whales may be panicked, this behavior usually suggests that the whales are making smart moves. This is why a lot of people who are into Shiba Inu see this fall not as a sign of trouble, but as an opportunity. However, it makes one wonder about the causes of these events. How is the Shiba Inu doing these days? There appears to be more than just Shiba Inus involved in its antics. The Bitcoin market as a whole appears to be in much better shape right now. Market capitalization increased by about $38 billion, according to an expert, indicating that the market is on the mend. It is heartening to witness the market's rebound and rising trend, he tweeted. As the market as a whole starts to recover, it usually boosts all assets, including Shiba Inus. There may be a broader trend toward market stabilization and revival if whales continue to accumulate Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu might keep climbing with that kind of momentum, especially if the turnaround keeps speeding up. Clearly, Bitcoin's value has been rather volatile as of late. One expert explained what happened as it recovered from a recent drop and reclaimed the $97,000 milestone. The cryptocurrency market has had a difficult go of it over the past few days, leading to about $1 billion in liquidations from leveraged holdings. The focal point fell below the important $97,000 mark, leading to substantial losses for Bitcoin and the bulls, an extraordinary level of liquidations. Approximately 1,700% in favor of long holdings characterized the futures market at the outset of the problem. Unappealing as it was, what exactly set off this sell-off? It seems that the rise of DeepSeek, a Chinese chat domain rival, was the catalyst, with knock-on effects felt in the cryptocurrency market. This discovery has only made things worse, especially for Bitcoin, due to the negative sentiment it has inspired. Following this, the CNBC personality Jim Cramer offered his dismal analysis, which appeared to deepen the pervasive pessimism. Nevertheless, a surprising development occurs. He was famous for the inverse Cramer effect, and his negative outlook marked a turning point, rising over 9,6,000. A 31% jump in short liquidations was set off by this sudden recovery, which wiped out the positions of bearish traders. Shiba Inu might get the boost it needs to continue climbing the cryptocurrency ladder if Bitcoin's current momentum continues. All things are linked. Shiba Inu prices could also go up if the market turns around. When this happens, it's thrilling. It is possible that this most recent downturn may end soon. Quite interesting thoughts were offered by Bitwise's chief investment officer Matt Hogan regarding this subject. He claims that this current correction will be temporary, and the data from the past seems to back him up. The market as a whole might take heart from the fact that Bitcoin usually makes a strong recovery following these temporary drops. According to Hogan, Bitcoin has lost an average of about 2.62% for every 2% drop in the stock market index over the past decade. But one that happens a year later stands out. Bitcoin has had an incredible 189% increase, while gold usually appreciates about 7% on average throughout the same time frame. Do you not think that is a huge difference? How does this affect Shiba Inus? Shiba Inus may also experience a boom in popularity if the current Bitcoin rebound follows this pattern. Shiba Inu may experience a similar increasing trend as Bitcoin strength increases. This temporary drop can be a good sign for Shiba Inu's future. More and more, the Shiba Inu's motivations for moving are becoming apparent. The most recent price drops are reflective of broader market tendencies. On the other hand, experts say we need to keep an eye out, slow and careful. Shiba Inu is now in a very advantageous position due to these little decreases. According to analysts, the Shiba Inu price has been falling sharply as of late, continuing a trend that has been widely discussed as the year's most dramatic price drop. As investors try to predict Shiba Inu's future course, the daily graph shows a large candle shadow, indicating a great deal of volatility. Usually this pattern could mean that prices are about to turn around, but if momentum doesn't shift soon, it could mean that prices are going down even farther. The price level that was support earlier is now acting as resistance for Shiba Inu, which is trading marginally higher than its last low. Several crucial milestones are being closely monitored by the analysts. A resurgence could be possible for Shiba Inu if it stays above a specific price point, especially if trading activity picks up. Assuming Shiba Inu is successful in turning that price into support, bulls will have their next target at a certain elevated level, which can pave the way for a rise. Shiba Inu